Lifespan development, 8.16 stages of death and dying. Kubler-Ross theory of death and dying. One of the most well-known theories, established by Elizabeth Kubler-Ross in 1969, conducted interviews with dying persons and their caregivers, identified 5 stages people go through when faced with death, also known as the 5 stages of grief. Stage 1, denial. People refuse to believe the diagnosis of death is real. It's common to be overwhelmed or numb. Life makes no sense. Some people have false hope that the test results got mixed up. Stage 2, anger. People have anger at death itself. Feel helplessness. This is the why me stage. Life's not fair. May redirect anger towards family and close friends. Some may question their faith during this stage. Stage 3, bargaining. The dying person makes a deal with doctors and maybe even God. Please, God, if you heal me, I will never do blank again. If you change this, I will change that. Stage 4, depression. Sadness from losses already experienced, jobs, hobbies, and those yet to come. Missing life events such as family graduations, weddings. Some may withdraw from life, feel numb, live in a fog, and did not want to get out of bed. Some may even experience suicidal thoughts. What's the point of going on? Stage 5, acceptance. When the person has accepted what's to come and quietly waits for death. You're okay with dying. It's not a good thing, but you have made arrangements with family and friends. Finally, at some sort of peace. Some theorists did not agree with Kubler-Ross' 5 stages of grief. Some believe people bounce around to ups and downs and don't necessarily go step by step through 5 stages. Some think that there isn't a right or wrong way to face death. Some believe that you can't just check off the steps as you go through them.